So this is Zorin OS and the version is 18. So there's the Pro version, there's the core version, and there's an education version. With the Pro version, there's a cost to it. The core version is free, and this is the comparison here. So I'm going to be installing the core versions on the desktop computer. I already created a bootable USB drive with Etcher. I'm going to boot from the USB drive. So these are the options. If you have an NVIDIA card, you can choose this option. I'll select the first option. So here you have to choose the language. I'll click on Next. This is the keyboard layout. I'm going to leave it as English. So this is updates and other software. I'm going to leave both checked. Download updates while installing Zorin OS and install third-party software for graphics and Wi-Fi. I'm going to leave the last option unchecked. Don't participate in the census. This is the installation type. So I had a previous installation in this computer. I'm going to choose the second option, erase this and install Zorin. I'll click install now. It gives you a warning here, write the changes to the disk. I'm going to select continue. This is location, so this is correct. I have to create an account. And I'm going to select require my password to log in. So installation is complete. I'm going to restart the computer. So this is the welcome page and there's an option here to start a tour. I'm going to say no thanks. So I'll click on the menu. So this is accessories, graphics, internet. So Firefox is not installed, but Brave browser is installed. This is Office. This is sound and video. This is system tools. This is utilities. So I'll right click the panel and these are the options. I'll click on Taskbar Settings. So this is style. So if you have two monitors, you can configure this. So this is panel position or taskbar position. Right now it's on the bottom. It's on the top. It's on the left. On the right, I'm going to leave it at the bottom. This is behavior. This is action. This is scroll action. So I'm going to click on appearance. So on the appearance menu, so these are the different type of layout. So this is the default. I'll click on the second option. This is how it shows. This is the third option. And this is the fourth option. I'm going to leave it as default. So there's theme. Right now it's on light theme. I'll change it to dark theme. This is effects. So you can enable animations. This is jelly mode. I'll turn that on. And this is how it shows. I'll turn that off. So on the spatial desktop, there's desktop queue. I'll turn that on. And this is how it will show. And these are some more settings. This is desktop. So on the background, this is adjustment. This is icons, icon size. You can change that. I'm going to leave it at standard. So if I want to show the home icon, I just have to select that and it's here. I'll select trash and it's here, the trash icon. I'll click on Windows. And these are some of the settings. This is interface. This is fonts. So I'm going to right click the desktop. I'll create a new folder. I'll right click the folder, click on properties. I can configure the permission here. So I'm going to open the settings menu. This is network, Bluetooth, displays, sound. This is power settings, multitasking. This is appearance, and these are some of the wallpapers. This is apps. This is default apps. So Brave browser is the default web browser. These are all the apps. This is notifications. This is search. This is online accounts. So you can connect the account like Google, Microsoft. You can also connect your Microsoft OneDrive account. This is sharing. This is mouse and touchpad settings. This is keyboard settings. Color. This is printers. This is accessibility. And to always show accessibility menu, I just have to turn it on and it's here on the taskbar. This is privacy and security. And this is system. So I'll open the files manager. So if I move this up, this is the tiling effect. I have all these options, same as Windows. I'll click on the pictures folder. So I'll open one of the pictures. So this is image viewer. So Zorin OS changed default web browser. The default web browser before was Firefox, and they changed it to Brave. So now Brave browser is the default browser in Zorin OS. So if you don't like the Brave browser, you can install Firefox. So I'll open the software app. So I'm going to install Firefox. I'll search for Firefox. I'll click install. So it should be in internet. And it's here. So I'll just right click. And I'll select pin to dash. And it's here. So if you want to uninstall Brave browser, you can just search for it and click on install. So I'm going to install Google Chrome also. I'll download Chrome. So you want to get Chrome for Linux. Select the first option. Accept and install. So it says here choose an app to open the file. I'll select software install. Click install. So it's installed. So it should be listed on the internet. I'll right click Google Chrome and I'll select Pinterdash. So I'll open the characters app. And here's a list of emojis. Yeah, listed by categories. There's also letters and symbols. So I'm going to check the kernel version. I'll type uname R. So the kernel version is 6.14.0. So I'm going to install VLC Media Player. I'll type sudo apt install VLC. So VLC Media was installed. So in Zorin OS, you can install some Windows applications with an exe file. So for example, I'm going to install Notepad++. So I already downloaded the file. I'll right click the file and I get this option open with install Windows application. I'll click on that. Now this is also in system tools. So I will click on install Windows App Support. I'll click install. So it says here that this package installs the Wine compatibility layer as well as bottles. So Wine allows you to run many Windows apps inside Zorin OS. So the Windows App Support installation is complete. So the Notepad++ installation menu pops up. So I'm going to install it. I'm going to open the Notepad++ application. So it's installed. So if the fonts are very small, you can adjust the fonts. So you have to use the Wine configuration. So on the terminal app, I'm going to type Wine config. So this is the Wine configuration app. So I'm going to click on graphics. This is a screen resolution slider and you just have to adjust this. So I'm going to leave the adjustment here. Click apply, click OK. I'll close Notepad and I'll open it back. So as you can see, the font size changed. So I hope this video was helpful to you. I want to thank you for watching and I thank you for subscribing.